Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of February 12th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is love. I Love You More Than Ice Cream by Becky Davies, illustrated by Lala Watkins. On Monday night, my mommy calls, "It's time to go to bed." We don't walk up the stairs. Oh no, we gallop up instead. In the tub, rub-a-dub. Now bedtime, tucked in tight. What does Mommy tell me next before we say goodnight? I love you more than unicorns and more than chocolate fountains. I love you more than ice cream skipping over fudge cake mountains. Mommy loves me more than donuts dancing in high heels. But I reply, I love you more than pizza Ferris wheels. On Tuesday night, it's Grandpa's turn to tuck me into bed. We don't walk up the stairs. Oh no, we space hop up instead. Brush hair, teddy bear, dentures, and take a swim. What does Grandpa say to me, and what do I tell him? Grandpa says, I love you more than aliens and rockets, with lasers going pow, 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 and slime bombs in their pockets. But I love Grandpa more than that. I love you more than space, more than dinosaurs on Mars, in a ballroom dresses sewn from stars, balancing on teensy cars and driving in a race. On Wednesday night, it's Rollo's turn. I take him down to bed. I squish his little pupper face and play some more instead. Big stretch, game of fetch. Then I wrap him up so snug. What do I tell Rollo dog when I give him a hug? I love you more than bunnies wearing little biscuit hats and a crazy conga line with happy dancing cats. Thursday, Grandma tucks me in. She does on Friday, too. We bounce around the living room with trumpet and kazoo. Brr, woot, tooty toot, zooby zoo, peep. Do you know what my grandma says before I go to sleep? I love you more than pirates and a rock band starring me, with mermaid backup singers blowing bubbles in the sea. But I tell my grandma, I love you much more than that. My love is 10 times bigger than a narwhal in a hat. The next night when I go to bed, my daddy's at my side. On a superhero Saturday, we ride the railing slide. Me and Super Daddy have a great big pillow fight. What does Daddy say to me before we say goodnight? I love you more than rainbow capes that sparkle in the sky, more than magic superpowers that can help us fly for hours, past a castle made of flowers and kittens that can fly. Sunday nights are sleepy. We all head up to bed. We don't walk up the stairs. Oh no, we yawn up them instead. Cozy bed, good night said. Then before we snore, I tell them all I love you, and they say, I love you more. The end. We're going to make a PomPom painted ice cream. Your craft to go kit includes this clothespin with a PomPom attached to it and this picture here. Now these hearts and the ice cream are actually taped down with double stick tape, so we want to leave those on. And what we're going to do is we're going to paint all over the picture, including the sorry, it's 3 o'clock, including on top of the little cutouts on the edges, because what we want to do is when we remove these 3, we want to leave a white space that shows the ice cream and the hearts. Now for paint, I chose pink, red, and purple because those are Valentine colors. And what you're going to do is dip into the paint with your PomPom and just kind of use this to go around it. You can use more than one color. You can use all the same color. I'm gonna go red around this heart. Now my pom-pom's getting crooked. See how I'm doing it right on the line there? Now I don't need to do the middle part because the whole thing's gonna come off. And I'm kind of rubbing this off. I'm gonna do pink on this other heart. And like I said, you can alternate colors. You can do the whole picture the same color. You can do whatever you want. What I'm gonna do is the same color around each thing and then random dots all over the place. So I'm gonna use the purple on the ice cream cone. And see how it overlaps? That's fine. But it's most important to make sure you get around the cutouts, because if you don't, you're not going to see the picture in the white. And then I'm just going to do little dots of different colors all over. See how I'm getting it off the edge here. That's why I put my paper down. And I'm just going to go all over the picture to do that. Now you can see I've completely covered the picture in paint. And then what we want to do is we want to very carefully lift up the pieces. So some of it got under, but that's okay. There's one. You can see it kind of got a little rip there, but just gonna be very careful with it, very gentle. This one worked out better. There's two. And now we'll do the ice cream cone. And that's our little painting.